Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and your device unlocked. Open Control Center or Settings and set AirDrop to contacts only or everyone, depending on who's sending files. Once done, make sure both devices are within roughly 30 feet and not in airplane mode. If you're using contacts only, sign into iCloud so contacts resolve. Now attempt a small test file. This first check narrows most common connection causes quickly and lets you proceed with confidence. Once the initial checks pass and AirDrop still won't discover, restart the radios. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and back on. Make sure personal hotspot is off and any VPN or firewall apps are disabled, because those can block peer discovery. If the sender still can't see the receiver, reboot both devices. A restart clears transient network stacks and discovery caches. After rebooting, recheck AirDrop settings and attempt sending the same small file to confirm discovery and transfer. To finish, update iOS or Mac OS to the latest version, because software fixes often resolve persistent AirDrop bugs. If updates don't help, reset network settings on iPhone or Bluetooth and network preferences on Mac. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so back them up mentally. If problems remain, try sending to or from a different device to isolate whether the issue is hardware or account related. One key troubleshooting tip: if a second device works, contact Apple support about the original device's wireless hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.